I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to clear and delete all items from your Amazon viewing history. Step 1. Open the Amazon app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap the profile icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap Account in the row of options on this screen. Step 3. Swipe down to the Account Settings section and then tap Browsing History in this section. You'll land on the Your Browsing History screen, which will show you a list of the products you've recently viewed on Amazon. Step 4. Tap the Settings icon on this screen to open a menu. Step 5. Tap Remove Items in this menu. All of your Amazon browsing history will be cleared, deleted, and no longer visible to anyone who uses your Amazon account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.